hate to even call them picnic shelters, because that's just such a term that most people think of as more of just a structural element that's out there to protect you from the weather. These are so much more than that. They're decorative. They're a combination of wood and metal, which really harkens back to the industrial age of Greenville. That's really what these came from the design aspect of it. The top, it's going to protect you. It's going to act as a shelter, and so it has a top on it, but the top is also see-through. And the reason why that was chosen is so that we don't block the views of the park from different angles. So they're really supposed to look as lightweight as possible, but still do the job of what a picnic shelter would do. But they're much more decorative than that and artistic than that. So what you're looking at here is the model of these picnic shelters. And really, we decided to build this model because when we first saw the drawings, the plans from the architect, we really thought, man, how are we going to pull this off? The model was really built for us to help understand what we were getting ready to do. And since then, it's sitting out in our showroom and it's enjoyed by all of our customers when they walk in, and we get to really brag on what we're building for Unity Park. They've been a challenge, but we like a challenge. That's what our company does day in and day out, is build things that most people would walk away from. There's a lot of different stages, going from engineering to design, to CNC work, to actual fabrication work, to finishing, to the install. So we have so many of our team that's going to be involved in the building and the installation of these products. It means a lot that we get to be involved with Unity Park. I mean, Unity Park is going to be a staple of Greenville for years to come.